change these guys right here all the way back, and then get the subframe in, at least the 06 bolts, and then get some stuff here, and then see if we can be able to start it. Okay, so first we need to remove the underbelly, whatever that thing is, right underneath the transmission. So let's do it. Let's see what we have in package number 1 right here. It feels like Christmas. I don't know about you guys, but it feels like Christmas. So I believe this is the little radiator that I'm telling you about, guys. And this is all the piping. Seems all the same. Already took out the old ones, which are right here. I lowered the engine, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like super low. Yeah, so I did that for one reason, so let me show you real quick. So down here, you guys can see right up there, we have these two connections. Well, when this guy gets onto his spot, well, first of all, you guys see how long it is, and you need to add, you know, a ratchet plus this thing has this circle, so it's blocking out, so it needs to be a socket. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this guy halfway. Watch me doing it. I've done it. Now the lines are fully installed right there. I didn't film because I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's a mess down here, and yeah, and you can't really see much down low. Guys, see that? Yeah, it's a tight fit. The lines are installed right there. It's all good. Let's hope that they don't leak. Yeah, because it's not gonna be fun. Let's put it that way. Nothing. Okay, so we have the lines in. Now we need to get the engine high, back high again. Let's do that real quick, and then we should be able to put the new subframe. Oh yeah, and then one more thing. I grabbed my engine mounts from here, and I saved them. This guy here is actually mine because it's more. I mean, it doesn't wiggle that much like the other one. This guy there is pretty good, so yeah, it's a mix between my old one, and this is the one that came from the donor vehicle. So now let's get the engine up, and let's put the new subframe into place. So let's do it. got the subframe. We got the engine is not really bolted in. I mean, it's just right now it's just sitting, but the subframe is tight all the way around, so everything is good to go. I can remove this here right now if we can be able to get this engine to start. I have a new pulley, a metal one. This one is upgraded from Euro parts. That one's gonna go right there. And then from FCP Euro, right there. This is the box. I have this guy right here. So let's put those two, and then let's put our rubber belt, and let's see what else can we put in here, and let's see if we can be able to start it, because all of this work, and if it doesn't start or if it's like blown or anything like that, that's a no good. Let's get to it. So I don't know if you guys noticed from the time lapse, but when I tried to put this pulley here, and yeah, whatever I do, it was basically rubbing in the back, so not good. I ended up ordering a different one, so that one's gonna come, and yeah. But in the meantime, to be able to start the vehicle, we still need to put all of these pipes here, because filter and charge pipe, all of that. This thing right here broke, because it's supposed to be connected right there, so that's why I have some electro tape. So that connects right there, and honestly I think that should be it. So yeah, let's connect that real quick and see where we're gonna go from there. So let me show you this thing right there. We have a little boo-boo. Yeah, a little boo-boo. So we're gonna fix this boo-boo real quick. Let's fix it with a little bit of the help of a duct tape. I think I'm there. I'm not 100% sure. We have this pipe here. I believe this is charge pipe. One of those. No idea. But I have to buy it though. So, comes from here. This sensor here. I wonder if I can actually maybe bypass this sensor. That would be great if I can. Then from here goes to here. This is air temperature or air sensor, something like that. So I hope I can relocate this guy. And then comes over here. We have the filter, and then from there we have this. I believe this is the charge pipe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Probably I'm wrong. By the way, yeah, I don't know if you guys are noticing the trend, but I'm wrong for everything. Okay. This guy there. I will leave this radiator right now. For now, and then we'll see what we're gonna do. As long as we're not touching this, you know. So we'll see how I can actually zip that or something. Then this thing here, we have the fan, water pump. I need to clean this so it doesn't rub there. This guy, I have this little puppy that's gonna connect right there. Yep. And I don't know how. I believe this is gonna be like that. And I need to buy some oil just so I can have some. After getting the right pulley here, should be able to get everything working back into the normal. Well, we'll see. Can't wait to see if this thing's gonna run or it's gonna blow up in my face or what's gonna happen. Everything is good to go here, at least my understanding. If you guys see something, let me know down in the comments, and yeah, we'll go from there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like videos like this, where we're trying to flip vehicles and actually making this bad boy 2011 BMW 335i Hardtop Convertible to a 500 horsepower engine and a drift machine, maybe, you know, drift for a little bit, don't forget to smash the like button, because like button helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm and helps the channel and doesn't cost anything. So smash it. And the most important thing is, don't forget, guys, if I can do it, you guys can. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one.